Hi, my name is Sam Boem. I'm type 1 diabetic and
I also have celiac disease.
I was 11 years old when I found out I had celiac, and I was 9 years old when I found out I had diabetes.
I feel like a lot of people believe that we can't eat sugar whatsoever, which is totally a total misconception. I mean, we can eat sugar as long as we have our insulin, as long as our blood sugars are regulated, and as long as we're consistently checking on it. I feel like celiac disease, people think it is just an allergy, that we're gonna have some sort of like throat swelling or like hard to breathe, whereas celiac actually affects your intestines directly. It can cause malnutrition, it can cause colon cancer. It's a lot more serious than people do actually realize. The contamination in terms of celiac, whereas if someone uses the same gloves to touch a sandwich that's not gluten-free and then touches a sandwich that is gluten-free, even though the contamination is so small, we still feel the symptoms, we're still affected by it. So keeping in mind about where the workers' hands have been, where the food has been processed, what it's been processed around. And in terms of diabetes, it's more counting carbs, counting sugars, counting fibers, making sure that your blood sugars aren't going to spike. Typically, you're supposed to eat every 2 to 3 hours to keep your blood sugar regulated and stop eating after 7 o'clock. Keep a low-carb diet, low-sugar diet, keep active. However, usually it is kind of hard to do that, especially as a student working. It's hard to stay on that schedule, so sometimes I do go a couple hours without eating, sometimes the whole day, which does affect my blood sugar, it does affect how I feel. But typically you are supposed to eat every 2 to 3 hours and keep it low carb. It's kind of hard because you're limited to a certain food group and like a certain type of protein that you're not really allowed to have. So it's trying to think of different recipes, think of different foods that you want to eat without getting bored of them.
I love making this stir fry. It's like sweet potato, kale, chickpeas, and egg and feta. It does have some carb in it, which you gotta be careful about, but it doesn't have as many carbs, and it's very, very good for you.
I feel like a healthy diet for me is more keeping to foods that are gonna make me feel good.
Eating regularly, maintaining a good blood sugar, and staying away from foods that I know could possibly be contaminated, but also eating in a way that benefits my body and makes me feel energetic and makes me feel good.